Well, students, class 9th group, JC's English High School, Vijaypura, Karnataka. So, I am your Shashwati Chaudhary, English faculty in front of you. So, let's start the continued lesson, Unit 3. Follow my board work. Dear student, my beginnings by Kapil Dev. And what is the main concept I have already told you in the previous video lesson. So, please put your concentration. Get ready with the textbook, pencil in your hand, attachment, whatever I have given, don't delete it. Keep it nicely, sequence wise. You can take a Xerox and make a file and you write down in the notebook, make the notes properly. When the offline class will start, I will thoroughly check each and everything. Sitting here in the school till 6 o'clock and you will be sitting with me till 6 o'clock at any cost. So if your work is now updated through online, then through offline, you will get some relaxation. Otherwise, special permission I will take calling your mother and father. Because education is important, learning points important. So when they will give the money, you have to give high score marks in English. This is my subject. You should be very particular, very perfect about it. And your unit test, 20 marks shortly coming. I will give you the practice paper at random. At home you will practice it, and it will be portion unit number 1 and unit number 2. Only 2 units for 1 unit test. I will put 20 marks. Already my headmaster suggested me according to this. I am announcing previously written on the board. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will tell you, so that you will make yourself ready, fit and fine. And you will give the test, a digital test, and checking part, that one you and me, understanding and cooperation. So you at random start preparing all the notes, activities, whatever I have told. Keep on reading the textbook. Any doubt, come in the school premise, contact me. Unit 1, Unit 2. This 2 unit will be in English, your portion, syllabi for your unit test, 20 marks. I want to see everybody you are getting with good handwriting, 20 out of 20. I don't want to see out of 20, 19. No, 20 out of 20. So you should be ready about all these things. Alright, please get ready. Full group, take a pencil in your hand, follow the board. My Beginnings by Kapil Dev. And here you see, concept is an autobiography. Learning points, listen and respond. Check your understanding. Read and respond. Read and respond, page 55, your textbook. In attachment also, I am continuously giving everything materials. So keep your attachment, take the Xerox, make a file, make the notes properly, write down all the tests, all the activities, all question answers properly in your notebook. Follow all the instructions sitting at home. Sitting at home means not that time to time breakfast, lunch, dinner and education. No, it is not like that. Everybody told education is important. Even God and Goddess they told. So we have to follow that almighty power and obediently we have to follow that almighty power. Otherwise nobody will help you in this universe. So be perfect children, what I am telling you, and be serious about your English learning points. So, after this grammar, vocabulary, page 53, you will open your textbook. Speak well, enrich your vocabulary, practice interesting grammar activities. I will also give you, I will send you within 2 to 3 days some attachment grammar activities. Those things will be your attachment paper. You can study with some of the students, class 10 very nicely. They are taking the Xerox and making the file. That is very important thing. Till your board, even afterwards also, throughout your life. Grammar is grammar after all. Vocabulary, grammar, very important. So these are the learning point scheme. So you have to learn English in this way for your communicative English to make it strong. So what will you do, children? You can also do in that way. Attachment, papers and all. One file you can make it, taking the Xerox and all. And write also in the notebook. That one I will check with my red pen, and that is compulsory, 100%. So you should be very active about my English learning points. Well, let's start the lesson now. Page 49, please. Full group, get 49. See, I was para 6. I was never, I refer to Kapil Dev. Kapil Dev told, I was never very studious. That books, notebooks, particular, not like that. And always preferred, always selected, always chosen to spend time playing games and participating in athletics where I could use up my energy. So God gifted power is there. If he was not interested about the study materials, not studious, but God gifted power is there. Full energy on the sports, athletics, full energy and a different type of strong energy. That's why he is famous around the world till dated. What type of energy, just to imagine. I went to a small local school that had few cricketing facilities. The games they offered at that time were basketball, football, table tennis and hockey. Probably because all they required was a ball, a couple of turnover page 50, textbook page number 50, sticks and net. Only ball, sticks and one net. So maximum local schools they give in India these facilities. I was fairly good at all games, exceptionally good at athletics, but dreamed of becoming a footballer. His dream was he wanted to become a footballer. I worked hard at that game and was selected to play for my school. Fortunately, good luck. Fortunately, all my friends were interested in and played cricket. And they convinced me to change my game. Why, Kapil, you are not changing your game? No football. Be in cricket. So good friends, lovely friends. How many people get this type of friends? That is also a matter of question mark. You should select good friends, at least one, hardly two. Not more than that, but the good friend should suggest you, guide you, proper guideline. That is called a good friend. Want your mother and father, obviously, others you have to find out. Don't mix up with all. Only mix up with the good friends who want good for you, who think your betterment, your good luck, your good fortune in your life. They are some people who are your good friends. So Kapil was very lucky, Kapil Dev. Fortunately, he has that group of good friends, and those friends interestedly they told him, encouraged him that Kapil Dev change the game. Why football? Better you be an active participant in cricket game. So he changed the game. That is a decision I will always be grateful to them for, as they consciously introduced me to the game for which I was made, God gifted. He is in this universe to become a cricketer, renowned cricketer around the world. So he got his line platform in this way, God gifted. God helped him to become a great cricketer. Slowly, almost imperceptibly, I switched from one game to the other and began to spend a lot of time on the cricket field. Naturally, I played in a number of inter-school tournaments and came to be noticed as a promising lad in the local press. But it was all merely fun to start with. I could never have imagined where cricket would lead me, and I certainly had no plans then of becoming a professional at all. He did not think that he will become a professional cricketer and very famous around the world. But God helped him. That's why Kapil Dev became the great cricketer in this world and one of the best captain. Others are also good. Still, he is a very reputed captain We are team cricket. This is all about the story. Now verbally attachment, writing task. When I will give you, you will write the question answers, you will get it, check your understanding, check your comprehension, no problem. Just few things I am giving you now. Page 50. What naughty thing does Kapil narrate in the 7th paragraph? Number 1. The other really, para 5, page 49. Follow para 5, page 49. The other really naughty thing I remember doing is riding the police horses that were left in the huge open green areas to graze. A few of my friends and I would go there regularly and try to ride them. Number 2, nobody would have noticed except for the fact that I beat off more than I could chew. What is the incident described here? Number 2, page 49, paragraph 5. I will give you an attachment all the answers. After that, you will make the notes. Before that, you don't write. I will send you, I will supply you the materials, the ideas. Then you will share it. You will keep on reading the paragraph and then you will write reading my attachment paper. Then you will make the notes in your notebook. Just you listen and comprehend yourself. So here you see that this one nobody could have noticed. So number 2 you see that once we had learned to master the horse, there was one I became particularly attached to. We became more courageous and ventured out of the fenced area with the horses. Nobody would have noticed except for the fact that I bit off more than I could chew. I decided to take the horse home and house him in our back garden, which was about 700 square feet in size. Come to the point. Why does Kapil say he bit off more than he could chew? Because he controlled the horse, that is a police horse, but he should not keep it in his father's garden and all, but he had done it, so definitely this is wrong. That much, shortly coming back with the continued lesson. Thank you.